Hello, Blake's Gaming here. This is one of my survival guides. Here I'm showing you a good camping spot. Just run up here behind the shrub or in this corner. It's good for calling in kill streaks. If you have Cold-Blooded Pro on, it's pretty good. I'm just going to pull out the mini-map so you can see where it is. Down bottom right hand corner. Anyway, that's good. Here's another one. It's I don't know if it's that well known or if it is well known, but anyway, it's a good sniping spot. You can get lots of kills from it. I got a 25 kill streak, but anyway, it's up around here. Just need to do a fair bit of jumping, but anyway, it's good for calling in kill streaks, camping, HLGing, or just mucking around with friends. So what you want to do is jump up here, and then jump up again up here, and then you'll see this little setup up here, and then it's pretty good. You can see the majority of the map. I don't know why I was jumping there, but anyway, you can see the majority of the map up here. The whole, practically, apart from those two silos really blocking your view. But anyway, that's the majority of the map. Over here in front of me is this little corner. You can play attack insert if you have a sniper class, and then hide around there. It's good for calling in kill streaks, camping, and like I said before, anything really. Here's another one. It's pretty obvious, but it's good for just a quick hide if you're playing like CTF or something, and just pick off some people that run past. Or you could hide behind the rock up here for HLGing. Not really HLGing, just camping, but good to pick up some people. But anyway, that's my